Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to make a spatula for cooking. All right, let's get started. Let's go ahead and size this down. Hold on, there we go. Now you can see what I'm doing. All right, so let's scale it down about right there. Then we need to add a cylinder, rotate it 90, x-axis. Size it on the Z and X axis. About right there. Now let's grab that and take it over this way. Duplicate, grab Y. About right there. There we go. All right. Let's have it this. Good stuff. All right, now we need to control with period and bring this over here. That way it makes it a little bit easier to put upwards. We're not going to join these, but parent the object. That way, like, I think I did it the wrong way. Yeah, I did it the wrong way. There we go. All right, Ray. Nope. All right, that's good to go. These, yes, we can join. And now we just need to put some marks. All right. So go in here. Let's add a cylinder. Then we'll add a square. That right there is good. Size this on the y axis. Alright, now we need to add a bowling. Really? What's going on here? What the? I have no idea what's going on. Okay, let's try this again. But why is it? I have no idea. Let's backtrack a little bit. Okay, let's try with just this. But really, fine. We'll do it this way. Apparently, there's a glitch in the system, but that's okay. Let's see. Eh, should have done it this way in the first place, but that's okay. Doing it now. Okay, let's try this again. All right, awesome. All right, now we can join these together, and hopefully it won't mess anything up. Let's go. There we go. Finally, Jesus. All right. Now, I need to tab into this. Add a cut right there. I don't know why it's not adding it right there too. Oh, I'll just do it right here. It is what it is. There we go. All right. So there's our spatula. Now we just have to color it. Gray and black. All right, so that's how you make a spatula in Blender. All right, I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.